It's been a while since the last time I actually ate something in Miami. I am missing the food over here because the food in Miami is actually pretty good. So let's see what the taste is gonna be like. And I'm in Rico area and I have forgotten how Rico is beautiful and I'm enjoying it. So guess what? I am on my way to get my car. I've been without my car for the past 4 days and I'm dropping my ex-husband's car to his place, and after that taking Uber into my friend's house and picking her up, changing my outfit, and then going for the moment. Oh my gosh, she's there already. Oh my god, nena, qué linda. Dios mío, mucho más lindo que yo imaginaba. I have to speak English. Oh my god. The car is over there already and it's so cute. Oh my god. What is this? So beautiful. It's even better than I thought.
It's a nice thing.
It's so perfect.
Such a different color.
It is totally different. It looks so good. Oh my god. We got the car, so now I am gonna select flowers and then we're gonna take some pictures.